Hey everybody, I hope you can hear me. We are currently doing website designing using HTML and CSS. I already sent you the files for the video. I hope you will have time to watch it, but I am doing a tutorial now, so you can practice at home during the holiday and maybe polish your website design. So I send you a file, CSS, so you have to download it. So it's gonna look like this. So it's basically like a file here. So I'm gonna look for it, and then I'm going to put it on desktop so it's easier for me to find. Okay, so put it there. And then you're gonna go to your Sublime Text, or if you have a Visual Code editor, you can use that, but we're currently using Sublime Text because it's easier for beginners. Visual Basic is for a little bit advanced users. So open the file, look for CSS2. Okay, and then so basically this is your template. So this is the basic skeleton for the integrated HTML, and you can see some tags here for CSS. So the parts that you can see here, if you see a greater than and um, less than tag, that is HTML. Okay, this part here. Anytime you see brackets like this is CSS integration. Okay, so the CSS is it's not a programming language; it's a design language. It helps make your website a little bit structured, and then later on when we learn JavaScript, maybe insert some useful moving tools. Okay, so uh, I will send you the documentation for this. The documentations are code sheets that you can use when you want to do something. For example, when you begin a HTML or when you begin a website, always begin with an opening and closing tag. So a tag is the codes and characters that you need to put in. Like for example, this one. So you can close this and then HTML tag, headings, CSS template, okay, and then anything that is editable, I will show you later. So first, I'm going to save this as a new website. So I'm gonna maybe design a JC JC Cafe JC Cafe. Okay, let's just make it easy. JC Cafe dot HTML can be lowercase, uppercase. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so when you work with coding, it has to be you have to learn how to do it side by side. So you can see to make it easier for me, my ad blocker is messing it up. Okay. Okay, so basically this is the website that I designed. So I will edit and I will edit that thing. Okay, so you can see the logos here and then all the video links and stuff, so we can change those things and modify it. Okay, it's really hard to memorize all of the tags, but as we progress, I will teach you the basic computer science languages that's common in almost all the languages. Print statement, if statement, booleans, and you will learn that further on as we also study Python. But Python will focus on Python maybe when we do the back end part, um, maybe maybe after winter break or before winter break, depending on how fast our pacing is. So, but now, why do you learn? As you notice, we've been studying Canva and we've been studying HTML, CSS, and Java. It's all front end graphic designing, and um, it's important for you to learn this skill because it's actually a skill that it can actually land you a job, or someday if you want to be a developer, you can use this. So it's a vital tool. So I cannot teach you how to be creative, but I can teach you how to use this tools. So all you have to do is spend a little bit of time editing, copy pasting. So also another aspect that of things that you should remember will be the shortcut commands. Okay, Control A copies everything, Control C copies it, and again Control V paste. So those three will be vital for your coding because it saves time. Okay, so I'm gonna put the code side by side and then we'll edit. So also an important aspect is for you to always save your work. And then okay, so here this part here with the curly brackets are CSS, and then we go to another JavaScript here, style. So this part here, you can see for those who are wondering, asking me questions, teacher JC, how do I insert pictures? Okay, so if you have your own pictures, you need to make a folder, and then you need to drop it like here. Drag it, just drag the folder, make sure the folder um, is the pictures in the image is a JPEG file, and then make sure it's also easy to type because you need to type everything. Okay, so here I need to change. So since it's a JC Cafe, I'm gonna uh, change the cafe logo. Simple. I'll just grab something online. Go to images. Okay, this one's nice. Copy image link. Then, okay, then just highlight the part needs to be erased. So it has to be in the. You see the double quotations in line 55. So just delete that and then Control V. And then let's see if that works. So Control S. Also another aspect that you need to learn. Control S saves the file. So now let's see. Picture is not showing up, so let's see again. Maybe I did an error. So let's undo the paste, and then I'll go to maybe this one. Copy image address. Okay, then Control V. Oops, we'll see if that thing works. Okay, it did work, but okay. In coding, if your code looks like this, it's not too good. So remember, keep it as simple as possible. So I don't need this kind of mess. So I'm gonna make the logo bigger and find the source of the picture. Okay, I'll just undo the paste, or I'll just find something else. JC Cafe. Okay, this one. Sorry, the internet's a bit horrible. Copy image address. Line 51. Let's see. Control V. It's still that. Undo. Paste. Okay. It cannot be accessed. So let's see. Copy image address. Let's make this a little bit more smaller. Okay. So anyway, we'll fix that later. So anyway, it's taking us too much time. So that's why you need to check if the website is working. Where is our website? So it basically works. Okay. So now we do the editing part. So I'm gonna change the coffee shop JC Coffee Shop. Then hot and cold drinks, so and pastries, like pastries. Then Beijing, maybe put Paris, France. Second tag, maybe menu. Let's see, Control S. Okay, menu. So you can also make this. You can also polish this. So maybe change this to the address 1234 Paris, Eiffel Drive, Paris, France. Control S. Oops. Okay, by the way, Sublime Text is free, so address and menu, home galleries, videos. Okay, so we'll change the background color. Let's not mess around with that one. So the tags for this one, I think I'll send you the list for the background colors. But basically, if you use Sublime Text, it has autocorrect. So just familiarize yourself with it. It's not that difficult. Remember, trying to memorize all the languages will make you crazy. So there's a cheat sheet, or just Google everything. That's what majority of the coders do. So if you don't know anything, looking to 1,000 pages of documentation, just Google everything, because everybody had the same problem. Just solve it. Okay, so I'll change the menu to drinks, pastries, oops, pastries, and then short order, online delivery. So when you design your website, it's like designing a house. You build it from the ground up. There's a platform that I can show you, but I want you to learn how to really code it, because coding will be a vital skill that you learn this, especially in this season of online. Everything is online. So div class, body type. Okay, so YouTube link. So here, yesterday we're trying to figure out how to embed the YouTube link. So look for a coffee tutorial. Let's see. Okay, so this one. So I'll make it big. So you need this address. And then you need to figure out.
Hi, my name is Sum. And my name is Kalina. Together.
So pause it. Then, so I send you the skeleton for the code to embed a video. So we'll figure that out. So basically, the tags for inserting videos. This one. Determines how big the video is. How the video console will be in the website, and then this will be the tags for it. So we'll remove this part here, because this one is the one we want to change. So we need to be careful, and we need to debug, okay? So sometimes it does glitch. Okay, and Control E, Control S, Then let's see if I made it work. Okay, so now it's big. Okay, video is not available. So we made an error, so we need to fix it. What did we miss? Okay, we'll check the YouTube video again. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, so not working. Let's try to figure it out. Embed. Okay, let's see this. Maybe this will work. Embed. Okay, question mark. Playlist. It's the same. Sorry, I'm not wearing my glasses. Oops, sorry. Okay, okay, let's save. Video is not available. Okay, we'll check another video.
We're a coffee project New York.
We own several coffee shops in New York City with a roastery and...
Okay. Maybe we'll, okay, I'll check another one. Maybe it's the copyright thing.
That's right, coffee.
Okay, work. So sometimes some videos are copyrighted. So okay, make sure that the framework for the video loop or for the video connection, all the thing that all the codes that you need to change is just this part here. Okay, so this part is and this part in between the backslash and the question mark, and then this one will be the n character and the equal sign. So when you go to a website, when you go to a YouTube link, just grab the one. You don't have to copy paste everything. Just this part here. It's the video code reference number. So then just copy paste it there and then run it. Okay, let's see if it will run in the website that we made. So okay, yeah, it's working. So that's how you do it. So needs patience and just have to keep on trying, and then we'll do more insertion, and then after maybe after the national holiday I'll include comment link and like buttons and stuff, because I'm trying to figure out how to turn your website into an actual working app also. So we'll figure that out as we journey in this development, because in Canva, that's why I really emphasize that you get your English version or the international version for Canva, because Canva you can do a lot of designs, you can even make a website, you can even make an app. So we'll study that further, because front end development will be focused for our first semester, and then the back end will be focusing more on the database, Python, and AI. So I hope that you can watch this video, and during the holiday you can just play around with it. Okay, so that's it.